Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautifully grungy smudged out eyeliner inspired by the wonderful Kristen Stewart and her great grungy smoked out eyes on every red carpet. For this look, I only used 2 eyeliners. One was black and one's a little bit more special. Can't wait to show you how to create this look. Let's do it together. So I'm going to start with the MAC Definely Black Pro Longwear Eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner, but it stays forever. It glides on the skin, even though it has that long wearing staying power, and it's just really easy to blend out. I love it. So I'm gonna start here. This one you kind of have to wiggle back and forth a little bit. You don't have to worry too much about being precise because this is a smudged look. I'm going all the way around the eye. In the picture, she really did have less kind of in the center, and she had a bit of a smudge in the tear duct. This is definitely, I feel like, a more put together version. So you can choose what you want to do. If you want to just smudge it out, do that because I think it looks amazing. I'm also going to line my waterline, which I haven't been doing lately because my eyes have been actually getting extremely irritated from eyeliner. And you would think that would totally stop me from doing an eyeliner look. No way. You can choose any brush, you can use your fingertips, anything you want for this. Now I will say as well that I did not use any sort of powder, any sort of eye primer, nothing on my eye beforehand because I wanted this. I wanted this really easy smudge and I wanted to be able to pull it up and out as far as I wanted to. I wanted it to look kind of as messy and as dramatic and grungy as possible. It has the ability to be perfect. But why would you want it to be? Being perfect is so boring. Laura Mercier Black Gold. Going on the bottom. And remember again, this is not perfect. This is not meant to be perfect. Whatever you're left with, you have to promise me that you're just going to roll with it. You can add more gold. You can go back over with your black eyeliner and smudge it out some more. Anything that you want with this look, I think it's going to be really amazing. And I hope you had a lot of fun. This was so easy. I mean, like, ridiculously easy. The smudgier, the grungier, the more unkept, the better. So don't feel pressure to look perfect in this look. This is about having fun and feeling confident and comfortable in your makeup. So hope you enjoy.